Hey, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com. I'm a cosmetic facial surgeon in Richmond, Virginia. I only do surgery from here to here, just the face and neck. I don't do boobs, bellies, or butts. I'm a teacher, I'm an author. Here's some of my textbooks. And of course, I'm a surgeon. Today, I want to talk a little bit about cosmetic blepharoplasty. If you follow our channel, and I hope you do because we have almost 25 million views, so like us, follow us. And you know that one of the things I like to do is take some cases for whatever procedure we're doing and kind of save them up over a couple weeks or months, and then show these before and after pictures in a little showcase. And today I'm going to do this with blepharoplasty. I really love doing blepharoplasty. It's a very artful procedure. There's a lot of precision when you're working on the eyelids, and it's just enjoyable to do. I use lasers to do this, so there is no bleeding, which means there is little bruising, less pain, and a faster recovery. This surgery takes about an hour to do 4 eyelids, and it really makes a big difference in making people look younger. Now, the upper face ages faster than the lower face on a lot of people, so it's not unusual that we're doing this surgery even in the late third decade. And it is one of the procedures that has a relatively fast recovery. Usually people take a week off for blepharoplasty, not a week before your class reunion or your wedding. That would take a little bit longer. And in terms of being a surgeon, uh, if you follow my channel, you know that deep plane face and neck lift is my passion. And when we do facelift cases, we may do upper and lower lids, cheek implants, brow lift, chin implant, laser. So these cases could be 5 hours sometimes, whereas blepharoplasty, it's just a quick little procedure and it's a fun little procedure. So I'm going to show you some cases that I've done here in the last couple weeks or months. And if you have any questions about cosmetic blepharoplasty or any other cosmetic facial surgery, check us out at lovethatface.com.
So let's look at some of these cases. That's before and after, upper and lowers. Nice case, makes the patient look younger. This is the same patient from the side. We've increased her upper eyelid height by removing skin and removed her lower fat bags. This is another younger patient before and after. You can see how we've defined her eyelids. This is the same patient and the lateral view, and you can see it just the upper and lower look younger. Here's an older patient, but once again, we have removed the excess skin on the upper lid and removed the fat bags on the lower lid. Same patient, the other eye. Great improvement, happy patient. Here is a younger patient. We may have showed her before, upper and lower eyelid surgery. This is the same patient. You can see how we've increased the sculpting of her upper lid and removed the lower lid fat. Another patient, upper lids. Here's a older patient with lower lids. We did uppers and lowers. Same thing here, uppers and lowers. You can see the difference in these patients. This patient had really big lower eyelid bags all his life. We removed those. Younger patient with brow lift and upper lids. And once again, you can see the brow reposition and the lid sharpness where we've removed the extra skin. And another patient, she's looking up to accentuate her lower lid fat bags, which we have improved, as you can see, and we've also sculpted her upper eyelid if you look at the before and after picture as well. Another patient, upper and lower, getting rid of fat bags and sculpting the upper lids. You can see the difference much more in the lateral picture. And same picture again, decreased fat bag on the lower and sculpted eyelid on the upper. And finally, another patient, she does have makeup on in the after pictures, but you can still see how we have improved that eyelid. And down the road, she'd be a good candidate for a brow lift. So I love doing cosmetic facial surgery, whether it's deep plane facelift or eyelids. If you have any interest in cosmetic blepharoplasty or any other procedures, please look us up at lovethatface.com. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu. Thanks for the greatest gift of all, which is your time.